In an emergency, having the right gear can make all the difference. But what if you could make your own survival tools? Let's explore some easy and affordable DIY survival gear projects. First, a tin can stove. All you need is an empty can and some basic tools. Cut vents for airflow, add a small fuel source, and you've got a portable, lightweight cooking solution. Next, paracord projects. From bracelets to keychains, paracord can be transformed into essential survival tools, perfect for securing gear or making emergency repairs. Finally, create a simple water filter. Use a plastic bottle, charcoal, and sand to remove debris and impurities. It's an invaluable skill for off-grid living or emergency scenarios. DIY survival gear is about resourcefulness and preparation. Start small, get creative, and build your collection of essential tools today. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.